See, in this question, it is given to us that theta is at P, that is in triangle PQR, right angle is at Q. PQ is equal to 6 centimeter. PQR, that is RPQ is 60 degrees. We have to find QR and PR. Okay, QR and PR we have to find. So this is your adjacent, this is your opposite, and this is your hypotenuse. Opposite to theta is your opposite. So tan theta is equal to, so our theta is 60. So tan 60, tan
Root
60 is
3.
root 3. Okay. So root 3 is equal to opposite by 6. Send this 6 to that side. Opposite will be equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. So we got opposite as 6 root 3 centimeter. Okay, our opposite is nothing but QR. Next, cos 60. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 60 is, what is cos 60? 1 by 2.
1/2.
1 by 2 is equal to adjacent. We know adjacent is 6. Hypotenuse, we don't know what is the hypotenuse. Send this h to that side, send this 2 to this side. You will get it as h, that is your hypotenuse, is equal to 6 into 2, that will be 12 centimeter. So our hypotenuse is PR. So PR is equal to 12 centimeter. QR is equal to 6 root 3 centimeter. In triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y. This is our triangle, right angle is at Y. YZ is X. Okay. So YZ is X. Is 2X. Determine YXZ. You have to find YXZ and YZX. So indirectly you have to find angle X and angle Z. Okay. So first of all, you'll find angle X, in which trigonometric ratio, that is sine, cos and tan, we are getting. So if theta is at Z in our first case, okay, in case 1, our theta is at Z, sorry, in case 1, let's say theta is at X. So okay, in this is our case 1 and this is our case 2. Okay, in this triangle, let's say theta is at X. So what is our opposite? Our opposite is small x. Hypotenuse is 2x. And our adjacent is yz. Now, in which trigonometric ratio we are getting opposite and hypotenuse. In which trigonometric ratio are we getting opposite and hypotenuse? Sine, very good. Sine theta is equal to, so our theta is x, I will write not sine theta. Sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So sine x is equal to, our opposite is x, our hypotenuse is 2x. This x and x cancel. 2. When is sine is equal to 1 by 2? Look at your trigonometric table. Okay. When is sine equal to 1 by 2? Sine 30 degree. So sine x is equal to sine 30. We can remove this sine and this sine. So x is equal to 30 degree. Understood? Now in case 2. Now our case 2, we have to find angle Z. Okay. Y, Z, X we have to find. So let's redraw the triangle. In this triangle, theta is at Z. Okay. Right angle is at Y. So YZ. YZ is X. XZ is 2X. And we don't know this. Our opposite is YX. Our hypotenuse is 2X. Our adjacent is X. Now, in which trigonometric ratio are we getting adjacent and hypotenuse? Cos theta is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse. So our theta is Z. So cos Z is equal to adjacent. Adjacent is X. Hypotenuse is 2X. This X and this X gets cancelled. 1 by 2. So when is cos Z? When is cos 1 by 2? When is cos 1 by 2? Look at the trigonometric table. Cos is 1 by 2 at 60 degree.
60 degree.
Okay. So cos Z is equal to cos 60 degree because 1 by 2 is 60. You can cancel out this cos and cos. You will get Z is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So our angle YXZ is equal to 30 degree. Angle YZX is equal to 60 degree. Next. Is it right to say that sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B? Justify your answer. Can you say that sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B? 90. In a triangle, sum of all the angles will be 180 degree. In a triangle, sum of all the angle is equal to 180 degree. In a right angle triangle, if you add any these two except the right angle, you will get it, the sum will be as 90 degree. If you add these two angles, okay, I'm not talking about the right angle, except this right angle, if you add these two angles, you will get it as 90 in a right angle. So for an example, I am substituting A is equal to 30 degree, B is equal to 60 degree. So sine of A 30 plus sine B, that is 60 degree, is equal to sine A. Sine A is equal to 30 degree. Sine B is equal to 60 degree. Sine A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Sine 30 is equal to, what is the value of sine 30? Sine 90 is 1. So 1 is equal to sine 30. Sine 30 value is
1 by
1 by 2. Sine 60 value is,
root 3 by 2.
are they both equal?
No,
If sine 90 degrees, are they both equal? If you add these two, will I get it as 1? Not get it as 1. So these both are not equal. Okay. So you have to write, hence, since LHS is not equal to RHS, okay, it is not right to say that sine A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B.